How to change a Facebook group name in 2023. Many people were asking, how do I change my group name on Facebook? So if you want to change the group name on Facebook, you are at the right place. Changing the group name on Facebook is very simple. Today, in this video, I will show you how to change Facebook group name in 2023. But before we start the video, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. You can change your Facebook group name by using Google Chrome or any other browser, or you can change it by using Facebook app. I will show you both ways to change name of Facebook group, but let's learn how to change group name using a web browser on your computer or laptop first. So, to make your Facebook group name change using PC or laptop, all you have to do is log into your Facebook account in Google Chrome, Safari or any other browser you want. Now, click on the group option at the left sidebar. Now, open one of your groups from Groups You Manage option at the same left sidebar. Now, in your group, you need to scroll down to find Group Settings at the left side menu. Finally, tap on the Name and Description option. Now, simply change the name of your Facebook group. So, this is how to change a group name on Facebook using a web browser. But let's discuss how to edit group name using Facebook app on your Android or iPhone. So to learn how to change FB group name, follow the simple steps. Log into your Facebook account and now on your Facebook home screen, click on the three horizontal lines. Tap on the groups button to explore the groups you reside in. Now click on your group at the top. Choose one of the group you manage. Now tap on the shield with the star sign at the top right. Now scroll down to find Group Settings option. Finally tap on the Name and Description option. Now simply change the name of your Facebook group now and press Save button at the top. So this is how to change name on Facebook group using web browser or Facebook app. If this video is helpful, please like and share the video. Your continued support is my strength and it encourages me to create more and more social media tutorials on YouTube. If you have any question or want me to create any specific tutorial, leave it in the comment below. I will definitely create it for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.